Imagine your entire financial life changing without you even seeing it coming. By 2025, cryptocurrency could turn your daily routine upside down. How? Stay tuned, because the answer might surprise you. Cryptocurrency has evolved from a niche experiment into a global financial force. While many still associate it with speculative investments, its real-world applications are beginning to shape the way we live, work, and transact. From buying coffee to securing your identity, digital currencies are revolutionizing industries across the board. In this countdown, we'll explore 5 powerful ways cryptocurrency could transform daily life within just a few years. 5. Buying goods and services with crypto becomes mainstream. Picture this. You walk into your favorite coffee shop, order a latte, and instead of swiping a credit card, you simply scan a QR code using your crypto wallet. Within seconds, the payment is confirmed. No banks, no third-party fees, and no waiting for transactions to clear. This reality is already taking shape. Companies like Starbucks, Microsoft, and even Tesla have experimented with crypto payments. But by 2025, we could see a full-scale revolution where cryptocurrencies become a standard payment method. Why? Because traditional financial transactions involve intermediaries that slow down the process and add fees. Crypto eliminates the middleman, allowing direct peer-to-peer transactions. With the rise of stablecoins, cryptocurrencies pegged to fiat currencies like the US dollar, volatility concerns are also fading. Imagine a world where you could use Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even a stablecoin like USDC at grocery stores, movie theaters, or online shopping platforms. With tech giants like PayPal and Visa already integrating crypto payments, this shift is inevitable. Would you still need a traditional bank account? Maybe not. As crypto adoption increases, it could even replace the need for debit cards, especially in developing regions where banking infrastructure is weak. 4. Cryptocurrency powers the future of work. Think about how people earn money today. Traditional jobs pay through banks, invoices take days to clear, and freelancers often struggle with cross-border payments. But what if I told you that by 2025, getting paid in crypto might become the norm? Here's how. Instant payments. Whether you're a freelancer, a remote worker, or a contractor, crypto can facilitate real-time payments without bank delays. Smart contracts, self-executing agreements on the blockchain, can ensure you get paid the moment your work is completed. Borderless economy. Right now, international payments can take days, sometimes weeks, with hefty transaction fees. Crypto eliminates that issue, making it possible for someone in Brazil to pay a developer in India instantly without conversion fees. DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. Traditional companies might become a thing of the past. Instead, decentralized organizations where workers earn governance tokens could replace standard salaries. This means that instead of just working for a paycheck, employees could have a financial stake in the company itself. Companies like Twitter, X, and Shopify are already experimenting with crypto payroll systems. Imagine a future where your salary arrives in Ethereum or Bitcoin, and you don't need to rely on banks to access your money. 3. Crypto reshapes the real estate market. Imagine walking into a luxury apartment, scanning a QR code, and instantly purchasing the property using crypto. No banks, no waiting periods, no excessive paperwork, just a seamless transaction. The real estate industry is notorious for its slow, expensive, and outdated processes. Buying property involves middlemen like brokers, banks, and legal teams, leading to high fees and long processing times. Crypto is about to change that. Tokenized real estate. With blockchain technology, real estate can be divided into digital tokens. Instead of saving for years to buy a property, you could buy a fraction of a building. This means real estate investing becomes accessible to millions who couldn't afford it before. Smart contracts for transactions. Traditional home purchases involve escrow services to ensure both parties meet their obligations. With blockchain-based smart contracts, all conditions are pre-programmed, and transactions are executed instantly once the conditions are met. No more geographical barriers. A buyer in Japan could purchase property in New York without ever stepping foot in the country. By 2025, buying, selling, and investing in property using cryptocurrency might become as common as buying stocks online. Countries like the UAE and the US are already piloting blockchain-based real estate transactions, setting the stage for massive adoption. 2. Cryptocurrency revolutionizes identity and privacy. Have you ever been frustrated by how much personal information companies collect from you? Every time you sign up for a service, open a bank account, or apply for a loan, your data is stored in centralized databases that hackers frequently target. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology offer a game-changing solution: decentralized identity systems. Here's how it works. Instead of handing over your passport or driver's license to every institution, you could use a blockchain-based identity verification system. Your identity is securely stored on the blockchain, and you decide who gets access to it. No more password breaches. Your credentials would be stored on a secure, decentralized ledger, making hacking nearly impossible. Governments could use blockchain to store voting records, preventing election fraud and increasing transparency. Tech giants and governments are already testing blockchain-based ID systems. By 2025, instead of using usernames and passwords, you might simply use a secure blockchain wallet to verify your identity. 1. Crypto becomes the backbone of the global economy. The biggest transformation? Cryptocurrency could redefine the entire global financial system. Right now, traditional finance relies on centralized banks, credit card networks, and intermediaries like the SWIFT system for international transactions. These institutions hold immense power, controlling everything from loan approvals to money transfers. But cryptocurrency offers an alternative, a decentralized financial system where people have full control over their money. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Countries like China, the US, and the European Union are already exploring government-backed digital currencies. By 2025, digital versions of the dollar, euro, and yuan could be widely used, reducing the reliance on physical cash. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Instead of taking a loan from a bank, DeFi platforms allow you to borrow and lend money directly, with better interest rates and no middlemen. Financial inclusion. Over 1 billion people worldwide don't have access to traditional banking. Crypto wallets provide an alternative, allowing anyone with an internet connection to store and send money without a bank account. If global adoption continues at its current rate, by 2025, we might witness a shift where cryptocurrency is not just a niche investment, but a fundamental part of how economies function. Cryptocurrency is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's transforming industries right before our eyes. By 2025, we could see a world where crypto is used for everyday payments, salaries, real estate transactions, identity verification, and even reshaping the global financial system. The real question is, are you ready for the change? As innovation accelerates, those who adapt will thrive. Whether you're an investor, a business owner, or just someone curious about the future, now is the time to pay attention to how cryptocurrency is shaping the world around us. So, what do you think? Will crypto become a part of your daily life by 2025? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of finance and technology.